What's up guys, my name is Andy. In this video, I'm gonna replace the gas cap with a new one because this is starting to be all faded and it's all scratched up and it's time to put a new unit on there. What I was gonna do before this was just replace the gasket. And I did want to point out, it's kind of hard to see, that this old gasket in here, this is the old leather gasket. And what you can do is if you get it wet, it'll soak up some of that water and it'll thicken up and it'll reseal the gas tank. However, there's also another option where we can get a rubber gasket and just take that old leather one out of there and put this one on there. Now I bought this quite a while ago because I was going to just replace that, but I decided to just go ahead and replace the whole gas cap because this thing is getting pretty faded. And what I'm gonna replace it with is a brand new unit I bought, and it's the same style. You could get different styles, but I just wanted to get the same one that was on here. I like this style. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna uninstall this one and install the new one, and it's really simple. I'll show you how we do that. Inside the trunk is the fastener that holds the gas thing. Now this is kind of hard to see. We add some light in here. And what we've got is a 7/16 nut on there. We want to take that off, and that will allow us to take the gas cap off the car. Just use a 7/16 wrench here. We can go ahead and unscrew this nut off the back, and that will allow us to take this off. All right, now that you got this off of there, we can come back out to the front, and this just pulls. There we go, pulls right out. And to install the new one, it's just the reverse. We just go ahead and put this inside here, put the nut on the back, and then just tighten the nut down. You're good to go there. And then let's just go ahead and put the gas cap back on like you got done filling up the car, twist it in place, done. Everybody's happy. That's how you put a new gas cap in, very simple, anybody can do that. Guys, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, and if you subscribe, I appreciate it because it helps my channel out, and we'll see you in the next one.